Clifton Gardens is such an incredible part of Mosman, sought after by so many because of its leafy wide streets, as well as an endless selection of character homes with estate style living at its absolute best. Hi, I'm Stefon Bertram and welcome to another Pello property. I can't wait to walk you through this home. It really offers everything you want for that modern family lifestyle in an amazing pocket. Let's go have a look. Something I love about this home and what is going to stand out to every buyer who comes to inspect, it has to be this level block with endless natural light in such a sought after location. It is absolutely perfect for any family looking to put their own touch on their dream home. After walking through this home, you can really feel that it ticks all the boxes when it comes to modern family living in a great location. If there's any questions or if you would like to book in a private viewing at your convenience, please give me a call. If not, we'll see you at the next inspection.